Launching a new product on Amazon isn't just about listing it and hoping for sales. It's about getting seen first. Did you know that over 75% of Amazon shoppers never scroll down the first page of the search results? That means your PPC strategy can make or break your launch. In fact, according to recent data, sellers who run structured PPC campaign in their first 4 weeks see up to 150% higher visibility and often hit break even within the first 90 days compared to months or even years without PPC. In this video, I am going to walk you through exactly how to launch a product with real data-driven Amazon PPC strategies so you can not only rank faster but also turn those clicks into profitable sales. So let's get started. First of all, you need to check the listing if it is optimized properly. Like the title, bullet points, images, description, all are updated. Once your listing is updated, then you have to check the product category. If you see that your product is listed to a right category, then it's okay. If it is not, then you have to change the product category. After listing optimization, the second one is PPC campaign structure. Here, most of the sellers do a mistake. Like they don't think what's the campaign will work best for them. So in this case, you have to scratch a campaign structure, like what's the campaign actually can work best for you. After then, you have to create those campaigns gradually. First of all, as you are launching a new product, so definitely there have no review ratings for this item. So in this case, if you create any random campaign, so there have a high chance to spend higher without any sales. This is why you have to make a structure first and then you have to go with the roadmap. For a new product, I will suggest you to create a sponsor product campaign first. And we know that under a sponsor product campaign, we can create many types of ads. I will suggest you to create two types of campaigns from there. Like one is automatic campaign and another is keyword targeting broad or fresh match type campaign. Now maybe you have a question why I am suggesting you to create these two type of campaigns, right? I am suggesting you to create this type of campaigns because from the automatic campaign, you will be able to harvest some good keywords from the search term report and then you can focus more on those keywords. From the broad or fresh match type campaign, you will be able to capture a broad range of your customers for your products. So this is why I am suggesting you to create these two type of campaigns. So let me show you how you can create these campaigns from your site. First of all, I am sharing how you can create the automatic campaign from your site. So to create automatic campaign, you have to click create campaign. And then here you can see the sponsored product. So I'm clicking to continue. And then you will see this form. So here I'm setting the ad group name. And then you have to select a product from here that you want to promote in this campaign. So let me select a product. So I have added a product here. After then, from the targeting, I'm selecting the automatic targeting. And then here you will see that default and the targeting group. So I'm selecting the targeting group. And here you can see that the match type. I already explained this, how those match type work basically in my another YouTube video. You can get it from the I button. For the starting, I am just keeping the 4 match type and I am setting the bid for them. For the close, I set 50 cent. For loose, I will pick 40 cent. For the substitute and complements, I will run with a lower bid. Based on their performance, I will increase if needed. Okay, now the negative keyword targeting. Based on my product, I already researched some keyword that are not relevant to my product. So I'm adding them as a negative phrase here. Okay, so I have added them as a negative phrase. And now the campaign bidding strategy. So I'm selecting the down only bidding strategy. And for the placement, for the top of search, just I'm using the 30% placement here. Now the campaign name setting. So I'm selecting here a campaign name. And now the portfolio. For now, I'm not using any portfolio here. Now the date range. I will not set any in date here. The daily budget. I'm starting with a $30 budget. Based on the performance, if needed, I will increase the budget more. Now I will review everything. After reviewing everything, here you can see a new option, additional changes, automated tasks using rules. So for me, I'm not using this feature. I'm just unchecking this thing. And now I'm launching the campaign. So this way you can create the automatic campaign from your side. After 1 or 2 weeks, if you think that you need to increase the placement a bit, you can do this, and also you can check the mesh type that actually you have already targeted. After reviewing them, if you think that you need to increase their bit rates a bit also or need to reduce a bit, so definitely you have to do this. Now let me show you how you can create the keyword targeting campaign from your side. Same, you have to click to the create campaign, and then you have to select the sponsor products, and then you have to set a ad group name, need to add a product, and then the targeting, you have to select the manual targeting. Like here you can see that two options, keyword targeting and product targeting under the manual targeting. So I'm selecting the keyword targeting, and for keyword targeting I'm keeping the broad only. So I'm unchecking the phrase and exact. And then you can check the keywords that actually Amazon suggesting to us. Also you can research some keyword by using tools, and then you can put those keywords manually here. Let me add some keywords. Before adding keywords, you have to set a bid rate. So I'm selecting the custom bid, and for me I'm using the 45 cent. So I have already added some keywords here. So after adding those keywords, then I will select the bidding strategy. So I'm selecting the down only bidding strategy. And now the placement. Here also I'm using the 20% placement for the top of the search result page. Now the campaign name. And the daily budget. So I'm using the same budget for this campaign as well, like $30 I'm selecting. And after reviewing everything, I'm launching this campaign. So for a newly launched product, you can create an automatic campaign and a manual campaign from your side. Once you have a better review ratings for your product and also the keywords that actually really doing good, in this case you can harvest those keyword, and then you can move to the other types of campaign like the sponsor brand video. So this type of campaign you can create as well, and also you can create the display ads for your product. But initially you should try with the campaign that actually I already shared with you. Those campaigns really can do a better performance for your newly launched product. I hope you have a better idea now how you can create those campaigns from your side. Further, if you have any confusions, you can let us know in the comment section. Also, you can mail us info@ecomclips.com. If you are launching a new product on Amazon, you can share the product link with us, so then we can check it from our side, and then we can let you know what's the best approach you can follow. So that's all for today. See you in the next video with another topic. Till then, stay safe. Bye bye.